I was actually up in Carlo's neck of the woods. I started coaching up in Canada, and I think I met you, Carlo, in 2007. And one of the shops I was there is they had increased about 1.1 or 1.2 hours per perimeter. They had significant increase, but we reached this glass ceiling we couldn't get above. And so, and Sal, you said a word that triggered me on this. And I know this is a very hard word in California with the Bars Association. And by the way, that's not like the tavern bar, that's Bureau of Automotive Repair. But the shop reached a glass ceiling. And I was like, I'm missing it. I'm not seeing it. So during about the mid-morning rush, so you get a bunch of cars in the morning, they go out in the shop, they're inspected, diagnosed, they come back mid-morning, estimating, and then delivering them to the customer. And so they're doing good value expressions and they're doing it right. They're not ending on the dollar amount. They're following, the CompuTrick methodology, three-part value presentation system. But there's a glass ceiling and I can't read it. So I turned my back to them. I turned off everything but my ears and I just listened. And in a 45-minute time, both advisors said the word recommendations about 30 to 35 times. Well, we recommend this, we recommend that, we recommend this. And it hit me. I forgot in my shop, I got rid of the word recommendations. The vehicle revealed the fluid is dark to prevent at the time, the $3,500 transmission or whatever it was. I got rid of the word recommendations. And I didn't necessarily use the word need. There were times I used the word need. And I know in California, the Bureau of Automotive has a hard time when you say the vehicle needs it. They're really big on the vernacular. You can only recommend it. I know because I did a service advisor class down there, and knowing that was an issue, it's down in San Diego. The ASCCA chapter brought me down. I asked the question because I know this was going to come up that you can't say the word need. So I asked the question: if you have a customer come in and their engine oil is black, is that a recommended oil change or does that vehicle need that oil change? And you could see this brain freeze because of the Bureau of Automotive puts this fear factor on shops in California. Well, but we can't say need. I go, but it's a need, right? But how can you express need in a different way? In such a way that you're not saying the the N word. How can we say it without expressing that?